The number one reason people quit learning a new programming language isn't the syntax, it's the setup. Installing SDKs, configuring paths, setting up IDs, it's a nightmare before you've even written a single line of code. Today, we're skipping all of that. We're going to start writing Dart code in the next 60 seconds using a tool used by Google engineers and educators worldwide. Welcome to the first episode of our complete Dart roadmap. Today we are exploring DartPad. This is your sandbox, your playground, and the tool we will use to master the basics without installing a single file on your computer. This is our roadmap. We have a lot to cover: variables, functions, control flow, and eventually advanced functional programming. But everything starts here, in the first box, DartPad. DartPad is an open source tool designed to remove friction. It compiles Dart code to JavaScript so it runs directly in your browser. This means that you can run code on a high-end Mac or a cheap Chromebook and it works exactly the same. Alright, turn off your mind and follow along. Open your browser and go to dartpad.dev. This link will be in the description. Let's tour our interface. It's clean but powerful. Let's remove all this code. On the left, you have your editor. This is where the magic happens. This is where you write all of your code. On the right, you have your console. This is where your output appears. Let's create a snippet. This is our main function. This is the entry point of your program. It's the ignition key for your car. Without it, nothing runs. Let's delete everything that is inside the curly braces for now. Go ahead and type print, parenthesis, hello, Dart, and make sure you put a semicolon at the end. Hit that blue run button. Boom! You just wrote and executed your first Dart program. No terminal, no compiler setup, it just works. Now, DartPad isn't just for text. Remember, Dart is the language of Flutter. Go to the samples drop-down and click counter. Look at that. This will be the actual Flutter code running in your web browser. If I run this program now, you'll see an application on your right. This is why DartPad is incredible for testing widgets. You don't need an emulator or a heavy installation just to test a button design. You can do it right here. Let me come back here. Let me create a Dart snippet and go back to my original program. For example, if I wrote print, hello Dart, but forgot to add the semicolon at the end. Run this program. This is our last feature before we wrap up. What happens when you mess up? Dart has a built-in static analyzer. It catches errors before you even hit run. If you miss a semicolon, it tells you exactly what's wrong, right over here. It also acts as your documentation. If you click on the keyword like print, click on this question mark over here, the pane explains exactly what that function does. It's like having a teacher sitting right next to you. So, is DartPad perfect? No. For full apps, we will use VS Code or Android Studio later. But to learn syntax, it is perfect. In the next video, we're moving on to box number 2, variables. We'll learn how to store data, numbers, and text. Your homework? Go to DartPad, check out the sunflower sample, and just play around. Break things, fix things. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't miss the variables tutorial. Happy coding!